I'm a grab and go type of person and it's cold outside, but I wanted to have some of a smoothie first. So I'm going to take water, tons of greens, some carrots, my bananas. Actually, I'm going to do this first so I can put stuff in. So I like when my Vitamix can actually have, you know, some space. So actually I took, I don't know how many leaves, maybe 5, 10, maybe more, no, maybe less, I have no idea. So I'm going to take my 3 dates, they're already pitted and they already have their cases or their stuff off of them, the seed strip. I'm going to have a little bit of ginger root. I'm going to have some bananas, and I'm going to take some kamut. Now I'm going to take the kamut and I'm going to put it in my smoothie because I want it to be a little bit thicker and a little bit give me something that's going to give me some, make me feel like I'm eating some calories. And next time I'm going to show you how I make all my kamut, because when I make my kamut, I'm not here in the house. I actually put it in a crock pot. And then I put it in the refrigerator. All right, talk to you in a little bit. All right, so my smoothie is done. I'm going to take it in one of those cups that have the shaker inside, and I'm going to leave the rest in other areas of the house so that my family can have some when they get up and get out of the house. Anyways, I have to tell you that I've come a long way in the way that I'm eating, and I don't drink so much soy milk or almond milk or anything like that. Why? Well, it's expensive, and I found that I could do the same thing with just clear water. So here we go. Oops, drip some on my counter. Off I go. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.